Most people in Europe don't realize this. But there's one skill that's changing lives in 2025, and it doesn't require a boss, a degree, or even an office. It's called AI content automation. With tools like ChatGPT, Pictory.ai, Canva, and ElevenLabs, people are making content faster, better, and for profit. Here's how. 1. Freelancers are writing blog posts and product descriptions with ChatGPT, charging €50 to €300 per client. Point 2. YouTube creators are making entire videos without recording a single line, all with AI. Point 3. Social media managers are using Canva and ChatGPT to design posts and captions and selling content packages. The best part? You don't need to master the tools. You just need to guide the AI, give it clear prompts, edit the output, and deliver value. People in Germany, France, and Italy are already doing this. So why not you? If you want more tools, ideas, and step-by-step guides like this, subscribe to Think Treasure. Because we don't just scroll online, we earn from it.